Damn. It's too early, bro. We just made it to the gas station. Starting off the vlog with Gustavo, Fresh Kicks, FindingNick. All of us out here. We're going to a car meet this morning. Another car meet vlog. But what's up, guys? You watching another video. I asked you guys in the last video, or the last couple videos, are car meet vlogs getting boring? And a lot of you guys said no. Surprisingly, bro. I feel like they're getting boring, but if you guys like the videos, I'm gonna keep making them. Because a lot of people said they're from like out of state or somewhere where there's no car meets, so they don't get to go to car meets as often as I do. So that makes sense. But if you guys enjoy the car meet vlogs, smash the like button. We're about to go to a car meet today, but it should be a cool little cruise with all the homies. Gustavo car looks crazy, bro. Both their cars look crazy. These are some crazy builds right here, huh? But yeah, this thing looks crazy. The last time I saw it, it was red. It didn't have the wing, and it had a different hood. I don't know. You guys know Gustavo. He does a different mod literally every week, bro. It's a new mod. Look at the wing, bro. Carbon fiber. Can you see that? Carbon fiber on the inside. And then color match paint on the outside. It's pretty sick. Damn. And then the exhaust that you guys saw in my last video, that's actually the last time I seen this car. When we put this exhaust on this car. When they put the exhaust on the car. This shit's so clean, bro. New hood. He always had the full carbon hood, if you guys remember. Big old hood, but now it's white. It's pretty sick. What do you guys think? You guys like the red or the white better? It's a hard choice. I honestly don't know which one I like better. They both look so clean. I might have to go with the red though. Red's just my favorite color, bro. But this looks crazy too. She looks like a stormtrooper. Damn, Jimmy pulled up too. Just wake everybody up.
Jimmy came to visit.
You guys had a long drive this morning.
He came to visit Arizona, Utah.
Yeah, dude. I want one so freaking bad, bro. Look at it. We got some sick cars out here today.
Damn, you're on the Utah plates now?
I would not know which one to pick today, honestly. They're all so sick. We got the full bolt-on GTR. We got the single Turbo Z. We got the crazy fast 2,000 horsepower Supra. And we got this beautiful R32, bro. So hard. That's a hard choice right here. Bro, this thing looks actually so sick. There's so many mods, bro. Like, god damn. And you guys know how I feel about these. I want one so bad. And Jimmy's like the perfect example of an R32. It's just so perfect. Oh, we got the music. The white TEs. It's probably such a pain in the ass to keep these clean, but they look pretty clean today. Guys, I just had a full gas station photo shoot right now. I know you guys like when I do the photography stuff for the vlog, so I'm gonna edit these photos and throw them on the screen right now. It came out sick. We got the homie in the little GTI. It's a GTI, right? I don't know. I don't know my Volkswagen. It looks sick. Bro, Gustavo's car is so loud. I'm sure you guys could already notice, but I'm sure cops can't mess with him anymore. It sounds so sick. But it actually sounds like good, bro. Like the tone. Sounds so sick. These are probably some of my favorite cars from around our area. Oh, a snack? I'm about to gab Gustavo real quick. It's funny how many people ask Gustavo to race me on his live or his comments. Guys, me and Gustavo already raced plenty of times and he smoked me. It's not even fair, bro. He has upgraded turbos. I got stock turbos. Maybe if I upgraded my turbos, I would have a chance, but that shit is bad. Watch, I'm trying to race him again right now, so you guys can see how bad it is. I'm not sure if this thing's fully tuned or not, or if he could even race, but watch. Jimmy's car is pretty fast too. I've raced him before in the vlog. I feel like they're pretty similar, me and his car. I forgot to stop it in the single turbo. Bro, I thought it was Jimmy's turbo, but Gustavo has a big single turbo now too. Holy crap, bro. Gustavo's car sounds like gunshots. Bro, it really sounds like gunshots. Dude, that is so loud. How is it that loud? Oh my god, bro. I literally heard it echoing like over here, bro. Dude, I never heard like verbals that loud. It was funny. Kick said that it sounds like he sucked the bird up into his turbo. God damn, bro, his car sounds crazy. It's so loud. Oh my god, it shot a huge ass flame. I don't think it picks up on camera how loud that car is, bro. It legit sounds like gunshots. I know a lot of people say exhaust sounds like gunshots. That sounds like a gunshot, bro. Alright guys, we made it to the meet. We all parked right here. And then we got a bunch of other sick cars. Look at it, we got a Porsche. This thing is sick. Cool little blue color. A gray Porsche. And then we got a Huracan that's red, bro. Goals. Too bad it's a convertible though. I don't like convertibles, guys, but still can't go wrong. It's still a Huracan though. Well, I think it's a Huracan Evo. Damn, look at those seats, bro. It's a 6-spec, besides a convertible, but still clean. Goals. I want a Lambo so bad. That red is just beautiful. Yeah, we all parked right here on red. Hopefully no cops pull up and give us a ticket. We all parked on the red. Guys, look how different it looks. Literally didn't even have the wing last time. Do you guys like that wing or the no wing? Looks cool, it's different. Damn, bro, look at this. Look at the turbo. Oh, we did get it all powder coated. It looks cool, the color. You should do a video where you like build breakdown how much you spent on it. Like every single thing.
35 probably.
35? I think mine was like 25. The wheels alone are what? 6,000? Everyone has fat tires, bro. Guys, look at this BMW. M4? Wait, so this one? Supra versus Supra? That'd be really sick. I have the same wheels as my GTR. Should I do that when I get the F80? Same wheels? Look at that, guys. The music's super loud, but it's a new Hummer. All electric Hummer. That shit is sick, bro. Shit looks like it reminds me of like Halo, bro, or something. I don't know why. This Supra's sick, bro. It's so clean too. Like literally beautiful, bro. The engine bay is literally spotless. How much power do you guys think this one makes? It looks like it makes a lot because he has the big old slick on the back. It's literally like the MK4 version of Gustavo's car. Same wing now and everything. Someone pulled up in the Urus. All yellow. It's pretty sick. Sheesh. These cars are so sick, bro. This shit has yellow interior too? No way. That's crazy. That's all yellow, bro. Yellow brakes next to a big ass truck. Damn, bro. This thing is clean. I guess it's like the Millennium Jade wrap. You guys remember that Millennium Jade color on the GTR? I guess they tried to make a wrap that's similar and it looks pretty close. I feel like I would do that actually on my car. It looks really good. I think this is the same wide body BMW that was in my last vlog. Yeah, for sure is. Look at that. Look, some more supercars pulled up. We got a Ferrari. I always forget what these called. Is it the SF90? I think. I don't know. Huracan and then the 720. The convertible is still a hard top, so it looks good. I think the Huracans have like that soft top. That's why I don't like the convertible look. Damn, they're all convertibles. I just noticed that. Man, this thing is sick. Oh, it's the F8. See, I was wrong. I get the F8 and the SF90 mixed up all the time. Like I said, these are the same wheels that are on my GTR. Same exact wheels, but on the F80, it looks really good. Maybe we'll have to do the same wheels. This is an M4 though, but I don't know, I like the M4s too. Damn, look what pulled up, guys. STO? Guys, look at this STO that pulled up. God damn. Is it twin turbo? I'm not sure. No, I don't think it's twin turbo yet, but I think it's Sheepy Race. The owner of Sheepy Race, I think it's his. He's probably gonna get twin turbo. I don't see any turbos, so I'm not sure if they've done it already, but still, bro, it's the STO. Getting all detailed, that thing is so beautiful, dude. Look guys, now it's clean. This guy put a Mickey Thompson on the back already. You know it's gonna be fast. It's not twin turbo though. This thing is clean, bro. Look at the interior. Blue interior too. And it's crazy how the hood opens too. It's really sick. Alright guys. This meeting's pretty much coming to an end. Let's get everyone rolling out. Look at that. CTLP. Jeez. This thing is badass, bro. For an SUV? I think they're all going to the beach, but I don't think we'll go. I've been driving the GTR too much lately. I wonder if that guy owns both of them, because he has the same Instagram logo on both. Must be nice, huh? Damn, I'm missing all the supercars leave. Jeez, that Porsche is fast, bro. God, bro. Turn out, boys. God damn, bro. That shit was crazy. You gotta top that, bro. That bike looks like my wrap. Leave all quiet. Oh my gosh. See, that's why I need an F80, guys. My G-Track can't do that. Uh-oh, let's see what he does. Uh-oh. That thing's a ZR1, bro. That shit has power. Oh, I knew it. How did I know something like that was gonna happen? Oh my god, bro. I was not expecting that. Oh! Sure thing, it's alright. That's all, man, guys. That just sounded manual. Well, that was sick. Everyone was going crazy on the exit right there. They're still going crazy. That Corvette almost lost it, bro. People are wilding out, bro. think it's tuned yet, bro. I don't think he can step on it like that. Rolling Attilac's so fun, bro. Alright guys, we out. Later, Doug. Well, that was a fun little meet. I'm glad it wasn't far, bro. Usually, all the car meets I go to are like an hour drive. This one was like 15 minutes. That was not bad at all, bro. I wish all the car meets were that close.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.